Tapping into our awareness is a profound journey that Buddhism navigates with wisdom, offering invaluable teachings to guide us toward a more mindful and compassionate existence. Let's embark on this video together, delving into the core tenets of Buddhist philosophy that empower us to connect with our innate awareness and transform our lives. Part 1. Engage in mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation, a transformative tool that helps us cultivate present-moment awareness. It's not merely about sitting in silence. It's a journey inward, an exploration of our thoughts and sensations without judgment. Through focused breathing and observation, we train our minds to embrace the present, letting go of distractions and embracing clarity. Meditation isn't about escaping reality. It's about embracing it fully. By observing the flow of thoughts and feelings without attachment, we gradually understand the impermanent nature of our experiences. This practice allows us to step back from the chaos of the mind, fostering a deep sense of calm and clarity. Central to mindfulness meditation is the art of breath awareness. Our breath serves as a constant anchor to the present moment, a rhythmic reminder of the here and now. Through focused attention on the breath, we learn to quiet the restless chatter of the mind, bringing our attention to the present moment. As you engage in mindfulness meditation, find a quiet space and assume a comfortable posture. Close your eyes, directing your awareness to the natural flow of your breath. Observe the inhalation and exhalation, feeling the rise and fall of your chest or the sensation at the nostrils. When thoughts arise, gently bring your focus back to the breath. In this simple yet profound practice, you cultivate a stillness that transcends the turbulence of the mind. Mindfulness meditation is a practice of cultivating present-moment awareness. It invites you to release the shackles of the past and the worries of the future, anchoring your consciousness in the unfolding present. As you sit in stillness, notice the symphony of sensations around you, the subtle rustle of leaves, the play of sunlight, the rhythm of your breath. By immersing yourself fully in the present, you tap into a wellspring of clarity and insight. The present moment becomes a sanctuary, a space where you encounter the fullness of life. Through this heightened awareness, you gain a profound understanding of the richness embedded in each passing moment. Part 2. Foster compassion and loving kindness. Loving kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation, is a potent practice within Buddhism for cultivating boundless love and goodwill. Find a comfortable posture, close your eyes, and begin by directing loving kindness toward yourself. Repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." Expand this circle of loving kindness progressively. Extend these wishes to those close to you, then gradually to acquaintances, and finally, to all living beings. In doing so, you tap into the universal essence of interconnectedness, recognizing that the well-being of one is intricately linked to the well-being of all. Buddhism emphasizes compassion and loving kindness as transformative forces. When we extend these qualities towards ourselves and others, we create an environment conducive to inner peace and connection. Compassion is not merely a feeling but an action. It's in our kind words, our acts of generosity, and our willingness to understand and support others. By practicing loving kindness meditation, where we offer well wishes to ourselves, loved ones, and even those with whom we struggle, we cultivate a sense of interconnectedness and break down the barriers that separate us. This practice expands our hearts and nurtures empathy, fostering a deep sense of unity. Compassion is more than a fleeting emotion. It is an active force that ripples through our actions and relationships. In Buddhism, the cultivation of compassion begins with oneself. Recognize and embrace your own struggles and imperfections with kindness, creating a foundation from which compassion can emanate. As you sit in quiet reflection, extend compassionate wishes to yourself. Acknowledge your humanity and inherent worthiness. From this self-compassionate space, let the waves of compassion flow outward. Picture loved ones, friends, acquaintances, and even those with whom you may have conflicts. May they be free from suffering. May they find peace and happiness. These are the wishes that form the bedrock of compassion. Part 3. Reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Reflection is a powerful tool for self-discovery. Buddhism encourages us to observe our thoughts and emotions with gentle curiosity, understanding their transient nature. By acknowledging and accepting our experiences without attachment, we gain clarity and freedom from their grip. When we identify with our thoughts and emotions, we often fall into a cycle of suffering. But by stepping back and observing them as passing phenomena, we create space for understanding and growth. This practice enables us to respond rather than react to life's challenges, fostering resilience and inner peace. The essence of reflection lies in integrating mindful awareness into the tapestry of your everyday moments. As you move through the activities of daily life, remain attuned to the ebb and flow of your thoughts and emotions. Whether you're sipping a cup of tea, walking in nature, or engaged in a conversation, bring a gentle awareness to the nuances of your inner landscape. Mindful awareness is not about escaping the present, but immersing yourself fully in it. As you infuse ordinary moments with conscious attention, you cultivate a heightened sensitivity to the richness of your experiences. This active presence becomes a compass, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of the self. Emotions, like thoughts, are part of the intricate dance of human experience. Reflection invites us to explore the terrain of our emotions with a gentle curiosity. Rather than suppressing or amplifying them, we aim to understand the roots and expressions of our emotional landscape. When an emotion arises, sit with it. Feel its texture, notice its physical manifestations in the body, and inquire into its source. Is it rooted in desire, aversion, or ignorance? By investigating our emotions with mindfulness, we develop emotional intelligence, fostering a harmonious relationship with the ebb and flow of our inner world. Part 4. Embrace impermanence and release attachments. Impermanence does not diminish the value of experiences. Instead, it enhances their preciousness. Reflect on the impermanence of relationships, acknowledging the transient nature of connections. In doing so, you cultivate gratitude for the beauty and lessons each relationship brings, appreciating the uniqueness of every encounter. One of Buddhism's fundamental teachings is the recognition of impermanence. Everything in life, thoughts, feelings, relationships, and experiences, is in a constant state of flux. By embracing this truth, we free ourselves from clinging to the illusion of permanence, reducing our suffering caused by attachment. Letting go doesn't mean detachment. It's about appreciating the beauty of each moment while understanding its transient nature. When we release our attachments, we open ourselves to the richness of life without the burden of clinging, fostering a sense of freedom and joy. Embracing impermanence is intricately connected with the practice of detachment, or, more accurately, non-attachment. Detachment often carries a connotation of apathy or indifference, but in the Buddhist context, non-attachment is a state of profound freedom. It is the ability to engage fully with life while maintaining an inner equipoise unaffected by the rise and fall of circumstances. Reflect on your attachments, those desires and aversions that bind you to the ever-changing tapestry of life. Non-attachment does not mean withdrawing from the world, but rather engaging with it from a space of inner liberation. It is the key to experiencing life deeply without being enslaved by the impermanent nature of its manifestations. Part 5. Cultivate present moment awareness. Living in the present moment is a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy. Our minds often wander between regrets of the past and anxieties about the future, causing us to miss the beauty and richness of the present. Through mindfulness practices, we anchor ourselves in the here and now, experiencing life in its entirety. When we immerse ourselves fully in the present, we savor life's simple pleasures. Whether it's the warmth of the sun on our skin, the taste of a meal, or the laughter of a loved one, we learn to appreciate the richness of each moment. This practice brings a profound sense of fulfillment and gratitude into our lives. Present moment awareness invites you to embrace the simplicity of being. Reflect on the tendency of the mind to complicate the present with worries, regrets, and unnecessary complexities. Consider the freedom that comes with stripping away the layers of mental noise, allowing the simplicity of each moment to unfold. The richness of life is often found in the quiet simplicity of the present. Whether it's the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the sound of raindrops, or the laughter of a loved one, simplicity becomes a gateway to profound joy and contentment. Cultivating present moment awareness involves a radical acceptance of what is. Reflect on the tendency of the mind to resist the present moment when it doesn't align with expectations. Consider the liberation that comes with accepting each moment, whether joyful or challenging as it is. In this reflection, observe the narratives the mind weaves around experiences. Release the impulse to label them as good or bad, and instead, embrace them with an open heart. Present moment awareness becomes a practice of surrendering to the flow of life, allowing each moment to be a teacher in the grand classroom of existence. Part 6. Understand the nature of suffering and its origins. Buddhism teaches us that suffering is an inherent part of life, stemming from our desires and attachments. By understanding the origins of suffering, we gain insight into its cessation. Through self-awareness and introspection, we recognize that the pursuit of external validation or material possessions does not lead to lasting happiness. When we relinquish our attachment to outcomes and embrace life's inevitable ups and downs, we transcend suffering. This doesn't mean avoiding pleasure or joy. It's about approaching life with equanimity, accepting both joy and sorrow as part of our human experience. Part 7. Practice ethical behavior and virtue. Ethical conduct forms the ethical foundation of Buddhist practice. It involves aligning our actions, speech, and thoughts with principles of kindness, honesty, and compassion. By living ethically, we cultivate a peaceful environment within ourselves and in the world around us. Ethical behavior is not confined to grand gestures, but extends seamlessly into the fabric of daily life. Reflect on how your ethical principles manifest in routine actions, how you treat others, respond to challenges, and navigate interpersonal dynamics. Consider the choices you make in your consumption, work, and relationships. In the small, seemingly mundane moments, ethical conduct becomes a practice of mindfulness and integrity. This reflection deepens your commitment to embodying virtue in the tapestry of your everyday existence. Virtue is not merely a set of rules, but a way of being. It's about acting with integrity, empathy, and mindfulness in all our interactions. By practicing ethical behavior, we create a ripple effect of positivity, nurturing a harmonious and compassionate society. The teachings of Buddhism offer us a transformative roadmap to tap into our awareness. Through mindfulness meditation, fostering compassion, reflecting on our thoughts, embracing impermanence, cultivating present moment awareness, understanding suffering, and practicing ethical behavior, we embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and inner transformation. May these teachings inspire us to cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom in our lives, fostering a world where awareness guides our actions and kindness reigns supreme. As we tread this path, may we find solace, peace, and profound understanding within ourselves and in our interconnected existence.